I have this USB duplex outlet that I'm gonna change. So I'm gonna change out this outlet and put this one in. Before I even take out the plug, I test it because I close the break off, so there is no current right now in the plug. This one comes with a cover. This is how it looks. And a manual. And the manual, it shows you what it can charge right there. It also shows you how to install it too. What I did first was to turn off the breaker, then take the wires off this plug. I took the wires off this plug and put on this plug. So for this outlet, this is the neutral, this is the ground, and this is the hot side or the live. This is how it looks, and on the cover right here, it's gonna show you that you should pry off the slat. So I'm gonna take this part off and put on the outlet, because this one, it doesn't carry a screw to screw on. You just push it on and it sits on it. This is how it looks now. It has like a white plastic part that goes over the outlet. You have to screw down right here. And for the outlet now, the outlet cover, you just push it on and it holds. So that's it. Now I'm gonna turn the power back on and we're gonna test it together. Now we're gonna test to see if there's power, which is power is there. And let's check this one. Right there. So it works.